What's going on, lazy bushcrafting fans? Myself, Owen. Today we are in Ithaca, New York at Buttermilk State Park. We're gonna do things a little differently, so none of that camera standing around and you can see me walking. We're gonna go back to the old format a little bit, just so you know I'm not carrying that big camera right now. It's a 1.6 mile round trip hike to the top of the Rim Trail, and so far it's nothing but uphill. So I'm huffing and puffing, but let's really get this started. So, dear John, as I said, we are in Buttermilk State Park. My sister and I, Anita, that's over there in front. And it's a nice rainy day, Saturday. It feels like maybe it's a 60-degree day, but it's really nice out right now. The leaves are turning color. The raindrops are hitting the leaves and creating that nice, peaceful, soothing sound. Nobody's really on the trail. Not sure if because it got cooler or because, I don't know, it's not as popular, but it is a popular spot. But wish you were out here, but I knew you were hiking in Connecticut, so I gotta work on that video later. Anyways, yeah, man. Classic lazy bushcrafting day. I guess if I was in Bear Mountain or something today, I would have probably brought my axe and fire steel, and we would have made a fire, made some steak or vegetable burgers. But whichever way, you know, it's a pretty easy hike. I said it was kind of a huffing puffing earlier, but in reality, it's just a pretty straightforward one-way up hike. Anyways, lots of beautiful fall foliage, leaves, mix of pine trees. And as John says, pine forests are the best forests. This is not the only hike we'll be doing today. We'll be going to a lot of other places. But right now, you're probably gonna see a waterfall, and it's pretty spectacular. So, you know, hope you guys are enjoying this. First time ever out here, really. Not too far from here is Watkins Glen. To be honest, that's not really that great. It's full of people, and also, you know, you're not gonna be seeing much. All right, so we're in the second park, which is, I don't really have the name. I think it's like Cascadilla Park or something like that, or Cascadilla Falls. Anyways, this is in the township of Ithaca, as in Ithaca University. It's pretty well manicured here, and so far so good.